Wanda and Sindiswa Mbele have been granted 800 rand bail each in the fraud and money laundering case relating to an insurance payout. This state claims that the duo made the fraudulent claim following the murder of Noem My Skollie actor David Manuel in October. The Athlone Magistrates Court was not convinced by the state's case against the siblings. Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi Same has that story.
After weeks behind bars, siblings Wanda and Sindiswa Mbele have been granted bail. The Athlone Magistrate Court ruled that the state's case was not strong enough to justify keeping them in custody. They stand accused of fraud and money laundering linked to fraudulent insurance claim payout of 110,000 rand connected to Noem My Skollie actor David Manuel. He was gunned down alongside his friend in October.
In respect of both charges against the applicants, the court is not satisfied that the state's case is as strong as the state makes it out to be. This court, in short, as mentioned, must determine whether the applicants will attend court, whether they will interfere with the witnesses, they will interfere with the justice system, etc., and not whether the applicants refer to the insured as their cousins. That is for the trial court to decide. To emphasize, they are not before court on a charge of murder or any other charge.
The state alleges that the siblings exploited the death of Manuel for financial gain by fraudulently claiming insurance payouts. The evidence presented included WhatsApp conversations between the Mbele siblings on increasing the payout 4 days before Manuel's death and possible collusion.
So one feels that even that part, that whether the state's case is strong or not, should have been left to the trial court for it to determine that, as no evidence has been led by the state in terms of the case that it has against the accused. So we accept the decision of the court, but we'll come back on the 28th of January.
The Mbele siblings' release was welcomed by their loved ones.
Abantu bancama imisebenzi yabo baze court bezosupporta mina nabantwana bami. Yayibulela manje support yenu kakhulu.
The case has sparked widespread interest and debate across the country, but has also brought to light the broader issue of weak controls within the insurance industry.
There's also, other factors that play its way into all of this. It's the weaker controls by the insurance companies. They're not really paying attention to the life insured, for example.
The Mbele siblings will now spend the festive season at home, with their next court appearance set for the 28th of January. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi Same in Cape Town.